Christy from Design Tech Remodeling is joining us today. Christy, you were the designer for this amazing kitchen transformation. Now, when it comes to kitchens, flow, functionality, and design all play a crucial role when remodeling. Well, you've certainly accomplished all of that and more with this renovation.
Thank you, Lori. This was a U-shaped kitchen with peninsulas with cabinets that were above those. It closed off the space to the family room and the dining room and just really made it feel small. So we took all of that out, we closed up a window, which allowed us to be able to extend the cabinets further out. We also opened up the space coming in through the front door, so it made it very inviting and welcoming to people coming here.
Now, islands are often a key design feature in new kitchens, but in this case, you decided to go a different route.
Yes, well, we played around with flipping the kitchen in the dining room, but it just did not feel like it was right. It really closed off the family room to the kitchen, and it just wasn't inviting. So we put the kitchen right where it was, but we expanded it, which gave the homeowners a lot more cabinetry, countertops, and much more functionality.
And everything works really well with the existing living spaces.
Thank you. We replaced all of the flooring on the first floor, and that made the whole space cohesive and all come together.
Well, congratulations. Thank you so much, Christy, for showing us this amazing project.
Thank you, Lori.
And if you'd like to get started on your dream space, give Design Tech Remodeling a call today or visit designtechremodeling.com.